Hello there, welcome back to the channel. Well, here I am playing Skyrim, the Anniversary Edition. I have the first one, I bought that a few years ago, and I got this one free. Well, my first game, I had mods in it, and I had to format my computer, and I went to reinstall it, and the mods and everything else, and some of the mods don't want to work, and I have glitches in the first game, so I decided to play this game. But as I noticed when I'm playing, you have to reload one of your missions to make it work right.
Watch it.
Well, I played this mission over and over again, and every time I go in to the part where Lila takes me to see her mother, saying I'm going to be a hostage. Well, I have done it 4 or 5 times, and every time she goes in there, there's a fight breaks out, and well, there's her mother right there. That little arrow is pointing down, that's her mother. Yeah. Can't be seen, and as I walk down here, and here's Lila. Standing right there. She can be your follower, but
I think you might be sick.
it's glitched. So I'm going to fast forward now, and you'll see what's going on. So I decided to fast forward this. Yeah, I'm a vampire, as you can tell, and I'm going to the top of the stairs, up to the top of the tower to show where Lila is. And yeah, I'm fast forwarding it. And may make you dizzy. I make myself dizzy. So as I get up there, I'll pause my speech as you can see what's going on.
How do you feel? I think you might be sick.
Now, as I played this before, when I was going in through this, she mentioned that you had to go find 2 other people in here who had a key. Well, I came to the door. I lockpicked the key. I didn't go find the other witches that had the key. So right now I'm going to find the key with which who has it, so I can lock that door and see what works. I know there's going to be a battle here. I'm saving it. And there's one of the witches, and the hag's over there, right there. There's a witch and a hag. So there's gonna be a very big battle here for a minute.
I knew I heard something.
And here we go. I'm just standing in the background, let them go at it. Yeah, I got 2 followers. Vampire and Ash.
Another victory.
Okay. I'll go over to this hag here. She should have the key. Yeah, there's the key. Going through her stuff. And once I pick it, I will show it to you. in the key section. Yeah, I'm showing it several times. I don't know why I'm doing that, but anyway. Okay, I'm going to go to the key part, keys, and there it is. I just passed it. Right there. Down there, there's the dark light key tower. Tower key. Now it's going to be fast forwarding again. To get to the top, I retract my, and that's why I got this going so fast, because I got lost. It's so friggin' easy. You can get lost in this game in certain areas, my steps, to get where I need to go. So I go right down to the bottom at the first of the mission and go from there. Anyway, I'm going to stop talking. So enjoy the show. Yeah, I'm back at the door, but I lockpicked when I first did this mission. So I'm trying the key because it won't work because the mission is done, complete partly, but it has a glitch in it, as I was telling you before. So here I am with the key. It's not unlocking.
Watch it.
Because I have the key. Anyway, I'm going to go upstairs and go back up where Lila is, and where she's a follower. I can't use her because the game is glitched. So here we go, back fast forwarding. And here we are at the door pretty soon. There we are. Opening up the door, going in. Here's Lila, which I cannot use as a follower.
How do you feel? I think you
Somehow I
might be
did
sick. You might be
save modes in this game, but as I go through it, the save modes are not there. So I had a glitch in my save modes. Well, there's her mother. So that's about it. So I hope you like this video, even though this is the anniversary edition, and the anniversary edition has all the glitches. So anyway, take care, peace. I'm out of here.